Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to send certificates to participants on WhatsApp who attends your seminar. So let us understand this topic by taking an example. Seminars are great for bestowing crucial knowledge onto a specific audience. You are from one of those institutions who organize different seminars online. For rewarding those who fulfill their attendance, you have already registered participants in your seminar and created a Google Sheet in which you fill the details of the attendees. Now, you want that whenever the detail of an attendee is filled in the Google Sheet, a certificate is sent to them on their WhatsApp number. For doing this, you have two options. First, do it manually. Take the details of your attendees from the Google Sheets. Create a certificate manually, then convert that certificate into a shareable file, then go to WhatsApp, compose a message and send the certificate on the WhatsApp number to the attendees. But this is a very tiresome and a time-consuming process and even a repetitive one also. So the second option is you can create an automation so that whenever a response is received into the Google Sheet, automatically a certificate will be created into the Google Slides. The same certificates will be converted into the Google Drive into a PDF format, and then the same certificate will be sent on the WhatsApp number of your attendees along with a message. But here there is one problem, that there is no direct connection between Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Drive and WhatsApp. So how to do this? So as a solution, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Google Sheets with Google Slides, with Google Drive and then with WhatsApp also. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can do this very easily. So let us check this into the real time. So this is my Google Sheet. I want that whenever I fill in the details of my attendees into this Google Sheet, automatically using this particular template, a certificate should be generated. It should be saved into my Google Drive and a message along with the certificate should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the attendee. Okay. So let us fill in the details of our attendee over here. I'll just give the registration number as 250, name as Adam Smith, email address as adamsmith25@gmail.com, and I'll just give the mobile number. Okay. So now let us check our Google Drive. I'll just go to my Google Drive and here you can see a certificate is generated 250/Adam Smith. And now let us check the WhatsApp also, and here we can see a message. Hello Adam Smith, congratulations. We are pleased to inform you that you have successfully completed the seminar as an attendee. Please find the attached PDF containing your certificate. We know this certificate will be a great addition to your resume and we want to help you get there. Hope for your significant and successful career in life. Best regards, Intro Technocrat. Okay, and a file is also attached with this. I'll just open this PDF file. I'll just show you. Okay, here we can see Intro Technocrat, Certificate of Attendance. This certificate is awarded to Adam Smith for attending the Social Media is a New Friend seminar given this on 7th October 2021, Ronak Goel, President. So here on WhatsApp we can see a message along with the certificate is displayed. So you might be wondering that I just filled in the details in my Google Sheet and automatically a certificate is generated into my Google Drive and automatically the same certificate along with a message is sent on the WhatsApp number of the attendee. So how did I manage to do all these tasks? So let me tell you, I have done this in just 5 simple steps and anyone can do this very easily. So let us move on to the steps now. So here at step 1, connect Google Sheets to Pabbly Connect with the help of webhook URL. So first we have to go to Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect will offer us a webhook URL we have to paste that webhook URL into the Google Sheets, and automatically an integration will be created between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. Step 2. Collect the data from Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. So at step 2, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the data from Google Sheets. Step 3. Send the same data to Google Slides for creating a certificate from template. So whatever the data Pabbly Connect has captured from Google Sheets, the same data will be sent to the Google Slides, and by using a template, automatically a certificate will be created. Step 4. Save the certificate in Google Drive. So the certificate which is created into the Google Slides, the same certificate will be saved into a PDF file into the Google Drive. Step 5. Send the same data to 360 Dialog for sending messages on WhatsApp. So here at step 5, the certificate along with a message will be sent on the WhatsApp number of your attendee, and here we are using the software application that is 360 Dialog for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So here in this way we are going to create a successful integration between Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Drive and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll just click on sign in. Here in the all apps section, scroll down, come to connect and click on access now. Okay, so here this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. That is asking for the workflow name. So let us give the workflow name as send seminar certificates on WhatsApp. So here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement also. I have just given the name as send seminar certificates on WhatsApp. And let's click on create. So now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger? What is this action? So let me tell you, Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever the detail of the attendee who is attending the seminar is added into the Google Sheet, automatically a message is to be sent on the WhatsApp number of that attendee. Okay. So here in the trigger window, we are going to select the application name as Google Sheets. Let us select Google Sheets. Here in the trigger event, we are going to select new spreadsheet row. Now here we can see a webhook URL and some steps are also given. Let us read the steps. Create a new spreadsheet, then navigate to the add-ons and click on get add-ons. So first we have to create a new spreadsheet. So I have already created a new spreadsheet. I'll just take you to the spreadsheet, that is Indo Technocrat Seminar. Okay. So this is the spreadsheet which I have already created. Now here we have to come to extensions, click on add-ons and click on get add-ons. Okay, the page is getting loaded and it has taken us to Google Workspace Marketplace. Here in the search bar, we have to select for Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Just click on this. You have to install Pabbly Connect Webhooks on your system. As you can see, it is already been installed on my system. I'll just close this window. Okay. And after installing Pabbly Connect Webhooks on your system, you have to refresh your Google Sheet. Okay. I repeat, after installing Pabbly Connect Webhooks on your system, you have to refresh your Google Sheet. Okay. Now, before we go forward, let us fill in the details of any of our attendee over here. Let's give the registration number randomly as 245. I'll just give the name. Okay, I'll just maximize the font of my sheet so that it is visible properly. Okay, now the name of the attendee is Smita Sharma. Her email ID is smitasharma53 gmail.com, and her mobile number, let's give it as 7999724918. Okay. Now again we have to go to extensions. Now come to Pabbly Connect webhooks and click on initial setup. Now it is asking for the webhook URL and a trigger column. Okay. So this is the same webhook URL which we have seen in Pabbly Connect. Let us move back to Pabbly Connect. We will simply copy this webhook URL from here. We will move back to our Google Sheet and we will paste the same webhook URL over here. Okay. Now here it is asking for the trigger column. Let us read the instructions. The trigger column will be your final data column on which, if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. So in this case, you can see in my spreadsheet that I have the data in column A, B, C and D. So I am going to give the trigger column as column D. Say if in your case you have the data till column G and you want the data to be captured till column G, then you can give the trigger column as column G over here. Okay. And now let us click on send test. Here we can see test data sent successfully. Okay, now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. I'll just scroll down, and here we can see the responses received. Registration number is 245. Name Smita Sharma, email address and mobile number is captured over here. Okay. Now I'll just go back to my Google Sheet, and here I'll just click on submit. Okay. Now again we'll have to go to extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and this time come to send on event option. Why we are selecting this send on event option? Just because next time whenever the details are filled into this sheet, automatically the Pabbly Connect will capture the data. We don't have to link the data again and again. Okay. Now let us make sure that there is a tick mark on this send on event option. Okay. You can see a tick mark. This should be there. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. Here we can see the registration number, name, email and mobile number only. But even the date is also required in the certificates. So for this, in the action application, we are going to select date. Here I'll be selecting date and time formatter. Now here in the action event, we have to select current date option. And let's click on connect. Here we have to fill the format, in which format we want the date. So I want the date in format of DDMMYY, that is date, month and year. Include time in response. No, I don't want to include the time. So I'll just keep it as false. And let's click on save and send test request. Here the response is received and the date is captured, that is 7th of October 2021. Okay. Now we want that using the details of this attendee, a certificate should be generated. Okay. So here the certificate I want to be generated into the Google Slides. So I'll just come to this plus sign, click on add application. In the action window, we are going to select the application name as Google Slides. Okay. I'll just type Google Slides. Okay. Let us select this. Here in the action event, we have to select create presentation from template. Now let's click on connect. Here we have to click on add new connection and connect with Google Slides. Here we have to choose an account. Which account do we want to choose? I'll just click my account. And here Pabbly Connect wants the access. So I'll just click on continue and give away the access, as the data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. Authorization successful. Okay, and now the Google Slides are getting connected to Pabbly Connect. And here it is showing as connected. Now here it is asking for the template presentation. So as Google Slides are connected to Pabbly Connect, now Pabbly Connect has fetched all the details of my Google Slides which I have already created. Okay. So I'll just take you to one of the template which I have created for generating the certificate. Okay, I'll just open the certificate, that is certificate of attendance template. The name is Certificate of Attendance Template. I'll just maximize this and show it to you. So the certificate is Indo-Technocrat Certificate of Attendance. This certificate is awarded to, here the name of the attendee will come. For attending the social media is our new friend seminar, given this on this particular date. Here the date is going to come in the curly braces. Ronak Goel, President. Okay, so we are going to use this particular template for creating the certificate. I'll just go to Pabbly Connect, and here I'll be selecting the certificate, that is Certificate of Attendance Template. Okay, this was the name. I'll show you once again, Certificate of Attendance Template. Now we have to give the title of the new presentation. Okay, so here I just give the title of the new presentation as, I'll give the registration number and then the name of the attendee. Okay, so this will be the title of the new presentation, means the title, the name of the new certificate. Okay, now new presentation location, where do we want to save this particular certificate? So I have already created a folder, Seminar Attendees Certificates. So I want all the certificates to be saved over here. I'll be selecting this particular folder, Seminar Attendees Certificates. So here also you can see all the folders which I have created in my Google Drive, they are fetched over here. Okay, I'll be selecting this one, Seminar Attendees Certificate. Now here we have to enter the values that needs to be entered into the certificate, name and date. I'll show you the certificate once again, the name and the date. Okay, so the name would reflect it as the name of the attendee, that is Smita Sharma, and the date will come from the date and time formatter. This date we are going to map. Okay, now let us click on Save and Send Test Request. Now here we can see the responses received and a presentation ID is generated. See, this presentation ID is generated. It means a certificate is created. Now let us move to our Google Drive and check whether the certificate is created or not. I'll just go to Google Drive and here we can see a certificate. I'll just open it. And here we can see Indo-Technocrat Certificate of Attendance. This certificate is awarded to Smita Sharma, is mentioned over here, for attending the Social Media is Our New Friend seminar, given this on 7th of October 2021. And here the date is also mentioned. Okay, so here a correct certificate is created. Okay, now we want to convert this particular certificate into a shareable format. Okay, so I'll just click on this Add Application button. Here in the Action application, I'll be selecting Google Drive. Let us select Google Drive. Here in the Action event, we have to select Share a file with anyone. Now let's click on Connect. Here again we have to click on Add New Connection, Connect with Google Drive. Again we have to choose an account. And we have to give the access, so let's click on Continue. Authorization successful. Okay, and now Google Drive is connected to Pabbly Connect. It is showing over here. Now here we have to give the file ID that needs to be converted. So we have to convert this presentation ID into the PDF format. So for this, let us click on this Enable Mapping button. Let us make it as blue. And I'll just erase this data as it is not required. And here in the file ID, I'll be selecting the presentation ID from Google Slides. Let us map this. And now we have to click on Save and Send Test Request. Let's click on this. Now here we can see the name is mentioned, that is 245-Smita Sharma. Okay, along with the registration number. And here when we scroll down, we can see Export Links Application /PDF. It means a PDF file is generated. Okay, here we can see the PDF file is generated. Okay, now we want to send this particular PDF file to the WhatsApp number of the attendee. So let's again click on this Add Application step. Here in the action window, let us select the application name as 360 Dialog. Here in the action event, we have to select Send Template Message. Now let's click on connect. Here again we have to click on add new connection. Here it is asking for the API key and domain name. Okay, so let us read the instructions. Enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 Dialog account. Log into your 360 Dialog account. Move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on Generate API Key button. So I am already logged into my 360 Dialog account. I'll just show you that. Okay, I'll just open. So this is the dashboard of 360 Dialog account. Okay, so I have already added the link of 360 Dialog in the description box. By clicking on that link, you can reach to 360 Dialog application and get 360 Dialog service at a very affordable price. Here we have to come to this WhatsApp accounts. Let's click on this. And here we can find Generate API Key option. You have to click on this key and you have to generate a API key. I have already generated a API key and I will be using the same API key. Okay. Once the API key is generated, we can use the same API key for various workflows. Okay. We don't have to generate every time. So I'll just go to my Pabbly Connect and I have already generated the API key. I will paste it over here. Okay. Now let us read the domain also. Enter the domain here which you will get while generating the API key. Example is also mentioned, that is https://. So I'll just copy this and I'll paste it over here. Okay. So whenever our account is approved, we get this domain name by default. If you get some other domain name, you will have to paste that domain name over here. In my case, I have received the same domain name, so I am just pasting it over here. Okay. But here I am not creating a new connection just because I have already created a connection. So you have to follow the steps which I have already told you. You have to paste the API key over here and the domain name over here. Okay. I am just choosing this, my existing connection. Okay. I'll just click on save. Now here we can see the template option. So you might be thinking, what is a template? So let me tell you, template is simply a message that we want to send on the WhatsApp number of the attendees. Okay. So here you can see that as 360 Dialog account is connected to Pabbly Connect, it has captured all the templates which I have created in my 360 Dialog account. Okay. So you cannot directly send messages to anyone on WhatsApp. Okay. First you have to create a template and then only you will be able to send the template messages on WhatsApp. So that is the reason we have to choose a specific template for sending the messages over here. Okay. So I'll just take you to my 360 Dialog account once again. Here you can find manage templates option. Let's click on this. So here you can see I have created so many templates and got it approved. If you want to create a new template, just come here, click on this add template option and you can create a new template. Okay. I'll just open, I'll just close this. I'll just open the one which I have already created, that is certificate_link. Okay. So I have created a template, say hello. Here one parameter is there. So here the name of the attendee will come. Hello. Congratulations. We are pleased to inform you that you have successfully completed the. So here the seminar name is going to reflect which seminar they have attended. Please find the attached PDF containing your certificate. We know this certificate will be a great addition to your resume and we want to help you get there. Hope for your significant and successful career in life. Best regards. And here your organization name or institution name is going to reflect. Okay. In the third parameter. So here we have to select this template certificate link. I'll just go to Pabbly Connect and here I will be selecting the template name as certificate_link, this one. Now here the namespace and the language code is automatically captured. Language code is English and namespace is also captured. So we'll not be changing anything over here. Here we have to give the recipient mobile number. Okay. So I'll just map the details of the mobile number which we have got from Google Sheets, this mobile number. Now here the instruction is also given. Enter the recipient mobile number with the country code. An example is also given, +91. So as we are in India, we have to add +91 in front of the mobile number. Okay. You have to paste your country code over here. Here we have to give the header document URL. So which document we want to send? We have converted the the certificate into the PDF file. So we have to paste this webbook URL, this PDF URL. So I'll be selecting the PDF URL over here from Google Drive. I'll just select this PDF URL, export links application /PDF. Okay. Now here we have to give header document file name. So our example is also given, my document. So we have created the file name that was 245/Smita Sharma. Okay. So I'll be selecting the same file name over here. It was from Google Drive, and this was the file name. Okay. Now here we have to give the body field 1. Example, Mahesh is the name of the person. So in the body field 1, I'll just take you to my template once again. Here the first parameter, here the name of the attendee is going to come. So we'll have to map the details of the attendee from Google Sheets, which we have got from here. Name Smita Sharma. Okay. So I'll just map the details. Name was from Google Sheets, Smita Sharma. Now the second parameter was body field 2. Here we are pleased to inform you that you have successfully completed. Here the seminar name is going to reflect. Okay. So I'll just take you to my certificate. So the name of the seminar was Social Media is a New Friend Seminar. So I'll just give the name as seminar as a attendee in my Pabbly Connect. So in the body field 2, I'll just give the name as seminar as a attendee. Okay. Now here in the body field 3, we have to give, example is also given, ABS Institute. So we have to give the organization name. In our certificate, the organization name is Indo Technocrat. I'll just copy it from here and I'll be pasting it over here. You can type it manually also. I'll just paste it over here. Okay. And now let us click on Save and Send Test Request. So now here we can see the responses received. So let us check the WhatsApp of the attendee, whether he has received any certificate along with a message or not. I'll just go to the WhatsApp, and here we can see a message is displayed. Hello Smita Sharma, congratulations. We are pleased to inform you that you have successfully completed the seminar as an attendee. Please find the attached PDF containing your certificate. We know this certificate will be a great addition to your resume and we want you to help you get there. Hope for your significant and successful career in life. Best regards, Indo Technocrat. Okay, so here we can see after hello, the name of our attendee is mentioned, and here okay, pleased to inform you that you have successfully completed the seminar as an attendee, okay, which we have given manually. It is fetched over here. Now in the institute name also, our organization name, that is Indo Technocrat, is mentioned. Okay, I'll show you the template once again. Here name, here the course name or the institute, the course name or the seminar name is reflecting, and here our institute name is reflecting, the organization name. Okay, so I'll just go to Pabbly Connect. I'll just go to WhatsApp once again. I'll just download this certificate and let us check whether this certificate is correct or not. I'll just open it, and here we can see the same certificate, Indo Technocrat Certificate of Attendance. This certificate is awarded to Smita Sharma for attending the Social Media as a New Friend Seminar, given this on 7th of October 2021, and the president name is mentioned. So the certificate is also correct over here. Now let us move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, so now let us check this particular workflow in the real time also. So I'll just go to my Google Sheet, and here let us create one more entry of any of our attendee. I'll just type the registration number as 283. Let's give the name as Sanjay Verma. sorry, we have to write Verma. Okay, and let us give the email address as Sanjay Verma s@yahoo.com, and let's give the same mobile number so that we will get the same message on the number. Okay, and now let us check whether a certificate is generated or not. I'll just go to my Google Drive, and here we can see 283 Sanjay Verma certificate is created. And now let us move to the WhatsApp also. And here we can see the same message. Hello Sanjay Verma, congratulations. We are pleased to inform you that you have successfully completed the seminar as an attendee. The same message is displayed over here also. Let us just download this certificate. I'll open it. Okay, and here we can see Indo-Technocrat Certificate of Attendance. This certificate is awarded to Sanjay Verma for attending the Social Media as a New Friend seminar, given this on 7th October 2021, and the president name. So the correct certificate is sent on the WhatsApp number along with the message also. Okay, so just move back to Pabbly Connect. I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. Okay, so in this use case, we want that whenever a new row is added, a new data of any of our attendee is added into the Google Sheets, automatically using that details, a certificate should be created into the Google Slides. Automatically, the same certificate should be converted into a PDF file so that it can be shared with anyone. And a message along with this certificate should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the attendee. Here we have used the 360 dialog application for sending the template messages. And we have also used the date and time formatter to capture the current date. Okay, so in this way we have created a successful integration between Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Drive, WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in this description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.